Good morning and happy 2021. This is Micah Adler from anyonecanfundraise.com, and I'm excited to be here with you to do a follow up on the New Year's resolution record type that we created in the original video in 2020. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to finish the application in Salesforce. So it will look eventually like what we have here. What we have here is a launch pad. We have the New Year's resolution record type, tasks, dashboard, and calendar. We have the open tasks on the left-hand side, which is a list view, and we have a dashboard, which shows us the New Year's resolutions. And you can change this and see your personal resolutions as well as your business resolutions, like that. So we're going to start off really quickly, and we're going to go to setup. In setup, we're going to create this app homepage. So here, we're going to go to App Builder. We're going to go to the Lightning App Builder. And we're going to create a new Lightning app. And instead of creating a homepage app, we're actually just going to create an app page. Previously, we did a record page, but this time we're doing an app page. So here, this is a test. And we're going to use this layout. So 1, 2, 3, and we just press finish. So in this layout, what we're going to do is drag and drop what we need. So we need the launch pad to be on top. We need a list view to be on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, what we want is a dashboard. So this is the basic setup for our application. And then I'm going to go here, which shows the setup for the application. In Launchpad, we have to customize it. So we're going to click here on Launchpad. And to customize it, what you first do is press select. So click here, select. And then we can put in the different buttons that we want. So we could add in, for example, accounts if we wanted here. And we can take out accounts because we don't need it. And then we just press OK. And then it looks like this when you're finished. On the list view, we'll use the task object and the open tasks filter. And I picked 4 tasks to display, so it's not overloading. And then from here, we'll go to the dashboard. And the dashboard, you have to create a dashboard and then input it here. And I'm going to show you what type of dashboard I created and how I created that dashboard. So we're going to click here. This is the report that I used for the initial dashboard, and the report is by type. So resolution type is personal and business resolution types, and you have to group it by type. We have the resolution here, and the created date, and then the record type here. And then what we do is we take this one report and we can actually create an entire dashboard. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So here, this is a dashboard I created with that one report. And the way we do this is here, we're going to add components with that one report that I created. So for example, this is New Year's resolution report by type. And I'm going to select it. And then we can pick the type that we're going to use. So we could do a donut graph, or we could do, this is a total number, or we could do this type of graph, and we can add this. So that's what I did for this dashboard. And I added these 3 different types of components to the dashboard. In addition to the types of components, I also added filters. So you can press filter, and then it adds a filter. This is a type of filter, so resolution type. You can filter by all, personal, or business, and you could add values. So you can pick one of these values and just press apply, and it will add one of the values. So when you press save and done, you can go through these filters and it will filter the entire page. So these are all my personal resolutions, and these are all my business resolutions. So this is one dashboard that I created with one report. Now I created one other dashboard that I'm going to go through really quickly. This is by New Year's resolution task, so I can follow up on the tasks that I have per resolution. And I use this and I grouped it by subject, and I made this subject my resolution. So if I have multiple tasks, they will compile within the subject. And what that means is here in the dashboard. So this is a dashboard I created again with one report, and I just added the components with New Year's resolution by task like that, and I added the components. So just added this component as well as the donut here, and yeah, and that's how I created this. And you can follow up on the task for your New Year's resolutions, and just make sure that you complete those resolutions over the 2021, and hopefully you all have an amazing 2021, and it's exciting to do this follow-up. And thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please feel to contact me at micah@anyonecanfundraise.com or anyonecanfundraise.com, and talk to you next time. Bye bye.